Good morning everyone, welcome to my channel Bubble Tea. This is one. Today I'm gonna show you how to make collagen fruit smoothie for breakfast, and I only eat one time a day because if you don't want to gain weight, guys, you eat one time a day. So in the morning at 9, 10, 11, 12 o'clock, either way, it's the hour you want to pick. Okay, I pick 12 o'clock to eat my smoothie, fresh fruit smoothie for my breakfast, guys. And I'm gonna show you how to do it. So easy, and collagen make you stay young at the same time. And I feel like I'm stay young because I'm 60 years old right now. My skin so smooth and feeling good. And let's go start it. I'm gonna show you what I put in there. Let's go do it, guys. Here are my ingredients. First I have pineapple because I love pineapple. You pick the fruit you love, your favorite, okay? Second, peach. Peach make your skin smooth. Pineapple is all kind of medicine for me, or vitamin C, all kind of things. I love make your eyes clear too. And peach, I pick peach. This is from Frozen, okay? Make your skin smooth. And mango, I love mango flavor, so I have to have all these 3 fruit right here. And number 4 is gonna be lime because I like my juice have a little sour. I don't like anything sweet because this fruit right here, they have natural sweet, but it's not gonna hurt you. Natural sweet is good, but I gotta cut off the sweet. Put lime in there, guys. If you want this fruit frozen, you can go to Restaurant Depot. Restaurant Depot, they prepare for the business, so that's where I get them from. Put in the freezer. I'm gonna show you. Okay, and number 5. I love the juice. I get cranberry juice, no sugar as right here, 100% cranberry to make a good taste. Cranberry is good for your body. Everybody know about cranberry. And number 5, collagens, guys. Collagens. I use this collagen because I feel I'm stay younger too. There's everything including with benefit, including collagens. Okay, I put 1 scoop right there. I wanna show you how I get my food, guys. Come over here to my freezer. I stored all my fruit in here in my freezer. Pineapple, mango, and this pineapple and strawberry. I don't really like strawberry, and if you love strawberry and and berry, you can put on. But this is the freezer right here. All the food I stored for my smoothie for in the morning breakfast, guys. I just want to share. If you want this, you're going to Restaurant Depot, very cheap. Buy a box like this, put in the freezer. You can eat all year long, whatever you want. Okay, let's go make smoothie now. Okay, to make smoothie, pineapple going down, peach going down, mango going down. This is what I love. You pick the food you love the most, okay? Okay, I'm gonna go ahead, squeeze my lime in here. You have to put lime because it's vitamin C. Lime is a cut off the sweetness. It's just so beautiful and good. It tastes good. Squeeze lime in there. I say because this it don't really come out all the lime, so I turn over like this, so you squeeze some more out. Okay, guys, because don't wasting. I don't like to wasting my food. See, come out a lot. You turn over to do that. And cranberry juice. Put all of them in there. Just make a smoothie taste, guys. And then the last ingredient is gonna be a collagen. Put 1 scoop, not even full, so I can get less scoop like that. Very simple. So I'm gonna sit here for 10 minutes, guys, to make the melting because they're frozen right now. So I'm just wait for 10 minutes before I blend the, to make it easy. So this right here, just wait for 10 minutes. I'll be back. Okay, everyone, after 10 minutes, so they're kind of soft and melting down for a minute. And I'm gonna go ahead and blend this. Okay, guys, come on to the machine right here. You know, I got everything for the commercial because I have business. Bubble tea, this is business, guys. So just go ahead, turn it on, and set. Very simple. This is commercial machine. If you don't have it, you can have regular, is fine. So commercial, they go smooth and faster. Perfect. See, turn it off. Done one time. Perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead, put in my cup. This is breakfast. You eat like 12 o'clock. Or 10 o'clock, whatever time you want it, okay guys. And then after I eat 3, 4, 5 o'clock, then I eat real food after that. Whatever you want to eat, don't have to be diet, nothing. Just eat what you want, one time a day. So the main thing is the smoothie right here, and make you full like 3, 4 hours after that. So you can eat anything you want, and then time to go sleep, don't have to eat nothing, just drink the water. That's what I do. Got everything ready. Straw. I use big straw because easy to suck it up, you know, like that. I don't want to lose it. I have some a little bit more. All right, guys, there you have it. It's beautiful bubble tea smoothie. I mean, fruit smoothie, mixed fruit smoothie, guys. Cheers, everyone. So good. Delicious. No sugar add. Anybody can do it, guys. Okay, you committed to yourself, you drink this, and then 4, 5 o'clock or 3, 4 o'clock you can eat one good meal. You can eat anything. So that's it. So you're gonna get skinny and losing weight with no time if you can stick by this, okay? So good. Thank you guys for watching, and I see you next video. If you like this video, please thumbs up, subscribe, and I will show you more and more how to do different things and to eat less and drink juice. Thank you for watching, and I see you next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye. Thanks. See you later.